Oh, stretch. Good job, Eddie. Oh, stretch. There you go. You got those fingers out. You got those fingers out. These arms. Let me get these arms under you. It's okay. Get these arms under. Here. I know he's mad, but he's showing more initiation for rolling from back to belly, which is so good. Oh, goodness, I know. Can you grab it? You're going to go all the way over? Oh, there you go. Good job.
Get your hands out your
I'm just kind of giving a little bit of pressure there with my fingers. And see, when I do it, he does bring his head forward a little bit.
Yeah, I saw it.
Good job, Mr. A. Ready? Oh, good job.